Namaste everybody. Initially, our mind needs a lot of data. The sadhana has to increase. The time you do for meditation has to increase. You will get better results when you put yourself into a meditative state for longer hours. So you must ensure you should never waste a single minute. Who doesn't want a better life? You are about to watch a movie, whenever you are about to read a book, whenever before eating, whenever you are about to go to sleep, whenever you are awake from the bed, before the bath and after the bath, before you drive vehicle, you will see a natural change in you. Additionally, any work you do, you must meditate for 1 or 2 minutes. Set your mind right and then involve yourself into that work. Immerse deeply. If someone comes to you, before you open your mouth, even for a 1 second, do meditation for 30 seconds, 1 minute. Then you will be more aware. Then you talk. A lot of people, they are awake. Just awake and they are like daydreaming. Half of the things doesn't go here. They are just lost in the sea of waves of thoughts. You have to be very mindful. Like razor sharp. Then you will have a better quality of life. Let us understand what is habit. Any continuous action or thinking which is done over a longer period, or it may come from your past lives. But the time is now to correct it, not tomorrow, not day after tomorrow or next lifetime. It's time to correct now. If you think it is very difficult, it is difficult. If you think you will be able to achieve it, it is absolutely right. You will be able to achieve. If you decide, I am going to change very quickly, highly possible. The first habit you must develop is, if you start anything, you have to make sure you complete it. You complete the course, whatever it is, whatever the situation is. No excuses. Excuses are the beautiful stories we tell to ourselves and others just to escape. Excuses are night stories like Rama and Mahabharata. We are experts in it. So if you want to break any habit, the first habit you have to develop is, if you decide something, you have to stick to it. If not, it will be half-bitten. You will never be able to achieve anything. So have shorter goals, not 1 year goals. Have short-term goals. Be very specific. If you develop that habit, then most of your laziness will go away. We should have a schedule, but we should not live like a robot. We should live in every moment, moment to moment. There should be a lot of life force. In everything you do, again and again and again and again, you have developed a sequence. Your mind is very much used to those sequences, the patterns. As the mind, so the body. Most of your diseases are nothing but psychosomatic. Father of medicine has said this. Psychosomatic. If you take care of your mind, your 90% or 99% of the problems is solved then and there. The remaining 1% can be based on karma, that you can solve it, increasing the meditation and the wisdom experiences. So if you identify, if you are first of all, if you are aware of your situations, if you are aware of everything you speak, if you are very aware of what you eat, you sit in a meetings, you sit in a class, what to filter. If you don't know, if you are not aware, unedited, everything goes inside. Later on, you have to struggle. So remember this. You have to break the patterns. But how are you going to break the pattern? If you decide that if I want to quit smoking, or if you decide that you are going to develop a habit of reading a book 1 hour every day, if you decide I am going to practice a music for 3 hours every day, and if you have the you will achieve it. So by introducing a new strong habit, the old habits die easily. If you don't care or take care of your old patterns or old habits, your future will be same as now. The change has to come from within. The change. What change? You have to first catch hold of a habit which is bothering you. Then you have to be aware. And very easily you can find that your body reacts if you want to introduce something new to your system. For example, in a session, when I said to someone, she don't know. She said, I don't know. Immediately she did this. It means, look at the resistance your body is showing. You have to talk to the body. You have to say, hey, dude, let me try this. You need to cooperate. All these years, I have cultivated some unnecessary habits, patterns. Now I want to break it. So if you want to break the old habits, catch hold of the old habits and break it by introducing new habits. Only by being aware of the old habits it will not die. You need to remove the thorn using another thorn. The opposite one. If you don't have the habit of reading a book, and when you start reading a book, you will feel bored. Your body will start yawning. And then the mind will say, what are you reading? What are you going to do with this? Is it going to help? What junk is it? There, you have to be aware. And tell to your mind and the body, just shut up. 1 hour I am going to read this. After 1 hour, you do whatever it is. But 1 hour I am reading the book. You have to be stubborn, firm. One day, without checking Facebook, Instagram, TikTok videos, YouTube videos, WhatsApp. Not one day. Just try for a few hours. You see, there will be tremors in your hand. Your mind wants to go immediately grab the phone, check everything. And if you do that, and if you are feeling comfortable, then you are attached. There is attachment between you and that habit. You have to break that. If you get that craving, just smile. So that is the first success they bring in the workshop, by removing the digital gadget away from your life. That's called detoxification. The 3 days when you are not with the mobile phone, then you will get the control of your mind. That craving will be there initially. You will be yelling at the host or the instructor, this guy has removed the phone from me, he didn't tell me before. I don't know what important updates, mails, this, that. The mind will chatter like anything. But if you stick to it, later, the mind will settle. So as the body will settle. So you have to start running in the opposite direction, wherever you want to bring a change. Of course, your mind and body will resist, because you have not trained it. You have trained it in that way. In one day, it won't change. If you just say run in the other direction, it won't. But you have to withstand the repulses of the body and the mind. Remember, as the mind, so the body. So the body listens to your mind. Be very careful. If you want good health, keep repeating one mantra, that I am healthy, not I want health. That is a past future tense. The present tense works. I am healthy, I am wealthy. You add your emotion and feeling to it. I am 100% healthy. And I am grateful that I am alive today. And I am grateful I am able to hear, taste, smell. I am able to live a good life. And you have to be grateful that you are learning meditation and you are able to practice meditation. You must be grateful there is someone to guide you. Throw it away. Start speaking to your mind that you are healthy. I am healthy. You see, I am very healthy. Be very, very firm on that. And you see the changes will start happening very quickly. And to support that thought, you have to go into deep meditation. So you add a lot of energy to that thought, because the body listens to your mind. Lakhs and lakhs of people have done this practice, and they have come out of all their problems just with their thought. That single focused thought. Not a jungle and a bundle of thoughts. It won't work. So you can break your patterns with your thought power. For that, you have to be aware. For a few months, a few days, you need to go through that struggle. Then there is a joy forever. As long as you live. So the choice is yours. You want to struggle throughout the life, or you want to struggle for a few days so that your entire life journey will be purposeful, meaningful, and joyful. So habits, it may be you cultivated it on your own or you have borrowed skills, doesn't matter. You have the power to change now. So you have to decide, you have to stick to it. Thank you for joining today's meditation in the session. I hope it is very helpful. Please follow my channel.